Ano po, mag-practice daw ang aking anak ng makeup. Ako daw ang model niya. What's that? Hmm? You must tell me what? You want to practice my face?
Same, ah.
Huh?
Same, just now the two.
Okay. Oh. I don't want to use two hand.
Two, ah.
Two hand eh. This two fingers, that one eh. Two fingers. No. So kaya, ano nga kalalabasan ng makeup sa mukha ko? Nagpa-practice lang naman siya. Bilis! Bilis! Oh, what's that?
Control the oil.
Oh, just now want to put all down, want to control. But why so sikit lo? You so uripot. Uripot lo kay. Expensive. It's expensive. Ito, if next, I can jalan-jalan, no? If not beautiful, I cannot jalan. Make it beautiful, mommy, ha? Well, like that, the way you hold my face.
Like this one, I like this also, ah.
Some more light only, like so heavy already. Like so, very light. Like one, very, napakabigat.
Okay.
Oh. The next, check ko nga ito kung ano yung binibigay niya sa akin. Open my eyes or close my eyes? Open na.
Wait.
Open na.
Can also, ah.
Oo. What is next? Oh, may black pa naman. Oh, mga pangit na skin. What color dito?
Okay na.
Ano kaya yung nilagay na kinuha nila sa akin?
Nice or not?
Can lang. Simple only lang. Can lang. Good lang. Simple makeup lang daw ako. Hindi na pwede sa akin na marami. Pangit daw sa mukha ko. Hindi daw bagay. Pwede na.